are all these suspensions pretty much the same as far as valving?
Yes.
That's what he said, but I felt so much difference in the 250 and the 300.
So the 300 is a brand new motorcycle. And I didn't get to break it in before. So by the time we're done with it, it's going to be broke in. So, but valving wise, spring rates, everything are identical.
Okay, wow.
And I just set all the clickers the same too.
Okay.
So
that's crazy.
It takes, unfortunately, it takes about 10 hours to break in.
That much? Okay. Cool. Sherco's rock. Sherco's rock. Seconds, I swapped out of that lame-o map and I'm into the aggressive map. And it's not that I'm just fast or anything, the lame map is just, you get a wide open section, you just can't get up to the speed you want. Time with my hands on the clutch for this thing, man. Trying to make myself right here high. But this thing's not like a 300. It takes a second to get going. Up with some live traffic. Yeah, this is my least favorite of all the Shercos, without a doubt. Alright, let's see how it lugs around this corner at a slow speed in third. So you're not going to have any trouble keeping the momentum to climb stuff, but I'm telling you, especially if you're a bigger guy, if you want to do something like that and then get up and go without downshifting, you're just not going to do it on this bike. But this KYB suspension overall feels way less mushy than the WV. Thank you.
Yeah. 302 stroke was.
Yeah.
Where it's at.
I told him he's got to try that one. He ain't gonna know which one he wants more now.
Yeah. Yeah.
I rode that the 302 stroke, and I guess I was in wild, go up the hill, and I was like, dang. And then I flipped it, and I was like more manageable for me. I would get myself in trouble with the 2-stroke.
Yeah.
Like I was like riding outside of my handling ability.
Plus, it's really rough out there.
Yeah, those holes.
Yeah.